Welcome to our startup guide for the 2.6 kVA portable petrol generator. This portable generator is great for providing power for lighting and small power tools when you're away from a main supply and will fit in the boot of most cars. As always, safety is key. We recommend using ear protection and gloves when using this generator. Before starting up the generator, unplug any equipment. Make sure the generator is placed on firm level ground with suitable ventilation and is kept dry at all times. Check the oil when the engine is cold and on level ground. Pull out the dipstick, give it a wipe and put it back in. Take it out again, check the oil level is between the min and max lines and top up as needed. Oil can be purchased from your local HSS branch. Check the fuel level and top up as needed with unleaded petrol. Please be aware HSS are unable to supply petrol. Now to start the generator. Make sure the fuel tap is set to open by pushing the switch to the right. If starting the generator from cold, push the choke switch round to the left. If the engine is already warm, push the choke switch halfway round. Next, set the engine's on-off switch to the on position. Grip the starter cord. 2 or 3 sharp pulls should start the generator. Sometimes it will only take 1. When the engine is warm, push the choke switch round to the fully open position. You can connect any equipment you wish to power. Just make sure it's switched off before you connect it. Use the switch on top of the plugs to choose between 110 volt and 240 volt. Please be aware the generator is very heavy and will require 2 people to lift it safely. Make sure you follow the manual handling guidelines, stand with your feet apart, bend your knees, keep your back straight and lift with your legs. Finally, always make sure the generator is kept upright. And that's it. Make sure to check out our other products and videos. If you need any help ordering online, our support team are ready to chat to you. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. And have a good day.